Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video. I just wanted to bring you some exciting news that's going on right now in the trading of Bitcoin. Today is July 20th, 2017, and Bitcoin has shot up out of the cloud. So we got a cloud breakout on Bitcoin here, which is what I'm going to say is probably the biggest candle, up or down, but up candle that Bitcoin has had since it started trading. So today alone, it went from 2270 to almost 2940. It's pulling back a little bit now, but we did get a close outside the cloud. So this is super bullish. Probably going to start a new run to new highs. The BIP 91 is the miners have been signaling for BIP 91, and so this is probably going to go into action shortly, and so I think that's what has caused this upward move, as well as there was an article today that noted that the U.S. government was going to close down a website on the dark web, and so I think that possibly could have accounted for some money pouring into Bitcoin, but I think it's also the resolution of the whole Segwit issue. I was hoping that this was going to just hang out, maybe crash below the cloud just a little bit more, kind of ride this bottom edge until Monday when I can get some new funds. But of course today didn't wait for me and just shot up, and now it's pulling back a little bit, but definitely an upward trajectory here, going higher. Almost took out 3,000, but did stop a little bit short for some profit taking. I don't expect this to last long. If it does come back to the cloud, I would consider a purchase there, but I don't think it's even going to make it there. I think we're just going to sort of tread water here for a little profit taking, and then continue on higher. So this is a huge bullish move in Bitcoin, signaling the start of a new leg. So pretty exciting. I also wanted to look at Ethereum here, and so we noticed in Ethereum that we did get a close above the cloud again. So that's bullish. Although it's been having a hard time with this purple layer of resistance. Been spiking through that, but haven't gotten a close through that, and that level is right at about 227. So if we can see a close in the next day or two above that 227 level, then I think this could run possibly to a high of like 277, and Ethereum looks to be sort of pulling up too. But I think with all the Bitcoin resolution, I think that a lot of these cryptocurrencies are going to push higher, because the whole question mark of Bitcoin scaling and all that is dealt with now. I believe the miners have adopted this BIP 91, which is sort of a precursor to the soft fork. And so it's all going to be resolved before the August 1st deadline. So I think that's why Bitcoin is surging up today. So yeah, super exciting. I wish I would have gotten in Bitcoin more. I wish that I would have had those funds available and was able to buy more on Monday. But you know, it went ahead and made its move without me here. So I'm gonna have to decide now. Do I just wait for a pullback? I imagine that these support lines are going to start to now kind of pull outside the cloud. And so in a few days, we might have an opportunity where maybe it pushes to a new high and then kind of pulls back a little bit. And I like to buy when this purple or yellow layer of support is touched. So that's where I'll be looking to make my next entry, next purchase after Monday here. But it's super exciting. Bitcoin is really starting to move now, and I'm mining it every day, and I don't get a payout every day, but when I do get a payout, it's just more Bitcoin that's coming to my my wallet. And then I also like to make just little extra purchases with some cash that I have to get my Bitcoins up. So I'm looking to just kind of collect them over time. You know, my first goal is obviously get 1 Bitcoin. Right now it's going to be, that's what, $2,800. So can't do that just yet, but slowly just getting more. And then when I get there, I'm probably going to look at some Vertasium. Really liking the story of Vertasium. People have predicted that it's going to sort of run up there with Bitcoin for a while. Right now, I think it's trading even with Ethereum, that $200 kind of dollar level. And I've heard an article today that was saying if Vertasium hits an exchange, it might open around $500. So that would be really cool to get in. I believe now you can buy it on Ether Delta, and so I might look at getting some of that. But yeah, just I was hoping this would delay a little bit, but it looks like it's starting to run now. So gonna have to just kind of go with it now, either buy in higher or just wait for a pullback. And like I say, I'll probably just end up waiting for a pullback. And that would probably be the best strategy now that we've had this huge up leg in this candlestick. So anyway, guys, that's all I got. In these little videos I'm putting together, just kind of document the process through Bitcoin trading here and my investment in the cryptos. And I will be updating my mining contract soon. So look for a video on that. And then also just documenting the price action here in Bitcoin over the next few years and months, and who knows how high this is going. So just really excited that we're able to pull out of this cloud, and looks like the start of a new leg here. So anyway, that's all I got. See you guys.